So by starting at our group assignment page, we're first going to click on the Initiative Research Directory. This will take us to the Everyone Goes Home webpage, where we can find the directory and look for our initiative. In this case, we see the Initiative Research Directory. I'm going to scroll down and we're going to use initiative number 1 as our example. When we look to review additional research, we can decide on one of these areas here to support our findings from the white paper. First, though, I want you to go to the National Firefighter Foundation Developed Resources, click on this, and this will take us directly to the white paper for your initiative. Here is an example of the white paper initiative number 1. The white paper will give us a good overview of the initiative we are assigned. Here is the definition of our initiative, the executive summary, which explains how this initiative became one of the 16, an overview of this fire department safety culture for this initiative, and then a series of recommendations based upon this initiative. It is your goal that each student is assigned one recommendation to develop 2 PowerPoint or Google Slides for your presentation. As the example, I'm going to do recommendation number 1, which is about culture and how it's influenced daily by making good decisions in the right direction. So I did a little additional research from those red links mentioned previously. I then made a short PowerPoint presentation with the 2 slides as we discussed. So here I'll take you to our PowerPoint that I made for initiative number 1, culture change. In this case, here is the first slide, which is the introduction slide that assumes all the names of my group members and the recommendation each member did. So for recommendation number 1 for my group, I worked on behaviors and culture influence through decision making. In this side, I reviewed some of the characteristics of decision making from the website that it was from the white paper, and then I did some additional research outside the white paper, taking me to a link. In this case, the link was from a Fire and EMS article titled "What is the Fire Service Culture?" I found a few key facts and summarized those in the PowerPoint. I then made my second slide, and I chose one of the questions suggested on the assignment page in Canvas. The question I chose was, what responsibilities does the firefighter rank have to implement the assigned life safety initiative? I answered this question by using the firefighter job aid link, which is also found on the assignment page. I scrolled down to my initiative, looked for this question and saw the firefighter rank, and I said, for this one, firefighters have awareness of the personal and department culture, especially areas that affect our competence and safety. We need to support company-level implementation of culture change when necessary, and we need to focus on personal responsibility that's critical in creating culture change needed to promote firefighter safety. So this is an example of what my expectation is for each student to accomplish for this assignment. And then each of those 4 recommendations that the group chose will be put together in the final PowerPoint or slideshow and uploaded to the assignment page.